In this video tutorial, we're going to be covering the use of filters in the storage module of webLDMS. As in the other modules of webLDMS, the filters are used to highlight the specimens that match your search criteria and to mask or hide the specimens that do not apply to that search criteria. We have our filter panels over here to the left. And it starts with our storage filters. Now these storage filters apply to the storage item name. So you can select a type, such as a freezer, refrigerator, or cabinet, ambient temperature. You can select any of the temperature ranges for your storage item. You can select the storage unit name, and your storage units are those freezers or storage cabinets, LN2 tanks. Storage level name, and your levels are your racks or shelves. Or you can search by a specimen container name. And let's use one of the containers we see here in our storage tree, the ACTG Serum Box 1. So to apply a filter, you can start typing, and it will work through the menu and show you all the available options that match what you have typed so far into the filter box. You can click to apply the filter. We see that one filter is applied at the very top of our filter panel. And then over to the right, we see that our storage structure has refreshed. And if we expand, I only see one of my 4 shelves. I only see one of the racks within the shelf, and then I only see one container because there's only one container with that name. The specimens within the container remain unaffected because the filter is working at the container level using that container name. You can remove your filter by either clicking the X within the applied filter or remove all filters at the top of the panel. We see our storage structure has refreshed, and we return to our full view. Now, the remaining filters work at the specimen level, and they utilize the aliquot information. We have our participant filter, where you can filter on your project, your PID, or other participant identifier. The enrollment filter, which is ID2, which is your study or protocol. The visit filters, you can select a visit value, a visit unit, or a collection date. We have our specimen filters where you can filter on the specimen identifiers, the specimen types, volume unit, the tech initials, the collection time, or received date. The shipment filters filter on any shipping information such as a batch number, the intended ship lab. You can use that marked to ship flag and filter combination. For this example, let's quickly apply a PID filter. We see that the storage structure is refreshed. We're working on shelf 2. And within 2 different containers, we have specimens belonging to that participant. You can further filter by a visit value or a date. Let's remove this filter and apply that marked to ship filter. It is a simple yes or no question. Is the marked to ship flag applied to the specimen or not? I will click yes. And in our refresh storage structure, we'll expand and it will find everything that has that green marked to ship flag. The filters are not the only way you can search your storage module. If you look to the top right, we see our barcode badge with the magnifying glass. Scanning a barcode in the stored samples page will expand the tree and show you that specimen in your storage structure. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact our LDMS user support department. They're available 24/7, and the contact us information is on our webpage at ldms.org.